Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your statistics on Wallet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on the three lines at the top of the screen, then click on the statistics, and you can see that you can check the statistics, for example, for balance, for cash flow, spending, credit, and so on. I'm going to click on the balance. For example, here you can see the balance trend and balance by accounts, balance by currencies, and at the bottom of the screen you can select the time. After that, you do not have to go back. At the top of the screen you can see the different categories: outlook, cash flow, spending, credit, and reports. And here you can check all the information regarding your spending and earnings and so on in the Wallet app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.